So in this Adobe Express tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to edit text opacity here in Adobe Express. So first thing you have to do is obviously open up Adobe Express, open up a new document, and press on the text feature right here. For this example, I'm just going to go ahead here and press add your text. Then once you have your text added, I'm just going to edit the text that says simply the word opacity, right? So I'll just O-P-A-C-I-T-Y, opacity. Now, if you want to change it, which basically means just how transparent the text is, I want you to go down to this option right here. There's this bar that says 100% and this option right here that says it's just an opacity symbol. Now, as you can tell at 100%, it means that this this text is not, the opacity is, 0. It's 100% clear. You can't see through it. Now, if you drag this bar a little bit more to the left, it actually makes the text less and less solid, right? You can see through it more, which basically means you're decreasing the opacity, or I guess increasing the opacity, making it so that's easier to see through the text in case you want that. So if you just slide it all the way down to 0, as you can tell, it's pretty much nothing. And if you drag this bar all the way to 100, it is pretty much 100% solid. So that is how you guys can change the opacity or edit the opacity of text here in Adobe Express. I hope this video helps.